This 3 bedrooms 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage home is located conveniently off of Rock Crusher Road, on a dead-end street in the quiet, friendly Hills of Avalon neighborhood. Due to only part-time usage, this home still has that new-build smell. The open floor plan of the home is inviting with plenty of space for guests. Kitchen includes a new refrigerator, dishwasher, breakfast bar, and pantry. Bedrooms are on a split floor plan and very spacious. Master suite features 2 walk-in closets and bath offers plenty of storage. Immaculate garage with lots of storage and work area. Lanai in the rear of home features beautiful tiled pavers, a pass-through window from kitchen sink, exit to the rear.